Why do I get attribute error? NoneType's object has no attribute is something. I keep getting an error that says the code I have is too long to post here. What general scenarios would cause this attribute error? What is NoneType supposed to mean, and how can I narrow down what's going on?
NoneType means that instead of an instance of whatever class or object you think you're working with, you've actually got none. That usually means that an assignment or function call up above failed or returned an unexpected result.
You have a variable that is equal to none and you're attempting to access an attribute of it called something. Or both will yield an attribute error column NoneType.
The NoneType is the type of the value none. In this case, the variable lifetime has a value of none. A common way to have this happen is to call a function missing a return. There are an infinite number of other ways to set a variable to none, however.
Consider the code below. This is going to give you the error. Attribute error, NoneType object has no attribute real. So points are as below. In the code, a function or class method is not returning anything or returning the none. Then you try to access an attribute of that return object, which is none, causing the error message.